as we've discussed before, part of Disney's plan this year is lounges. So we have two pieces of lounge news that are coming from the parks. So the first one we're going to talk about is the DVC Lounge in Magic Kingdom has actually opened early.
Yeah, McKim's Mile House in Frontierland actually opened on Tuesday. McKim, the name McKim comes from Imagineer Sam McKim, who worked on the original Frontierland in Disneyland. And a Mile House, which I didn't know this, but a Mile House is basically like a hotel that travelers would stop at to rest as they moved along the frontier.
You know how I know that?
How do you know that?
From playing Red Dead Redemption 2.
Oh my gosh, why did I think that you were going to say that?
Because that was in the game.
Yes.
And I love that game.
Anyway, yeah, so McKim Mile House is what it's called. And then the lounge kind of looks like a log cabin it's got like wood floors. It's got a big stone fireplace, lots of pictures around, and some are of like this fictional family that like owns the Mile House, if you will. And on the second floor is where you'll find the quote unquote hotel rooms, but you can't go up there. It's just for show, like it is.
Man.
And so there are Easter eggs like all over the place. The names on some of the hotel doors are Barnabas T. Bullion, which is the owner of Big Thunder Mining Company, which is Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Okay.
Which is kind of cool. And then one is M. Davis, which is referring to Mark Davis.
Yes.
So that's an Easter egg too. So that's pretty cool. And there's freestyle machines, which are complimentary. Chairs, sofas, charging stations, Wi-Fi. There's a place to like chillax.
But again, you have to be a DVC member or know somebody to get in here. But yeah.
Yes. If you are a guest of a DVC member, that would also work too.
I will say this lounge has made me wonder. I just at this point I don't know what they're going to do with Frontierland, because I've been saying for a while I think they're going to get rid of it. But this lounge is very Frontierland-esque.
It's very
like
Frontier.
they're calling out to like people that developed Frontierland.
Yeah.
So now I'm just I don't know what they're going to do and how they're going to make a cartoon Cars attraction work in there. But after seeing this, maybe they don't do away with Frontierland. I don't know.
I really hope not. It's open daily from 11 to 6. So just a few hours in the middle of the day.
Interesting. That's not very long.
It's not, but I mean, I think it's pretty standard with like the one at Epcot. And
oh, okay.
So it's like, it's fine, whatever. But anyway, so yeah, that's open. If you're a DVC member, you can stop on by. And I think, I'm not sure how they're handling like crowd, like I think it's like reservation kind of thing. So you walk up, if there's no availability, they'll put you on a list basically.
Right.
So, but yeah, so.
Well, hopefully we can check this out sometime.
Hopefully.
With some of our friends
we
that
have
have
some
DVC.
DVC friends, yes.
So maybe we can check that out. I'm interested to see what it's like in there. But
yeah.